Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use bricks as dumbbells. First, always prioritize safety. Choose bricks that are solid and free of cracks or chips to avoid breakage. Make sure you have a firm, comfortable grip on each brick before starting any exercise. Begin with lighter bricks, perhaps weighing around 4 to 5 pounds each, and slowly increase the weight as your strength improves. This helps prevent injury and ensures a safe workout. Before you begin your workout, it's important to prepare your bricks properly. First, clean them thoroughly to remove any dirt or loose particles. Next, wrap each brick tightly with strong duct tape or athletic tape. This provides a more secure grip and helps prevent any small pieces from breaking off. For added comfort and to protect your hands, consider wearing a pair of workout gloves. This simple preparation makes a big difference. Now, let's explore some basic exercises with your brick dumbbells. For bicep curls, hold a brick in each hand, palms forward, and lift them towards your shoulders. For overhead presses, start with bricks at shoulder height and extend them straight above your head. You can also incorporate bricks into lower body exercises like lunges or squats, holding one in each hand for added resistance. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. As you get stronger, you can advance your brick workouts. To increase the weight, try taping 2 bricks together securely for a heavier lift, effectively doubling the resistance. You can also use bricks for core exercises, such as placing them under your hands during planks for added stability and challenge. Always pay attention to your body. If you feel any pain, stop immediately. Consistency is key, so aim for 3 to 4 sessions per week.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.